Today's session I am going to discuss about polymers. So what are polymers? So first of all, polymer is a large molecule or gain molecule. Polymer is large molecule or gain molecule. So here the word polymer is derived from two Greek words, poly and mer. Poly and mer. The word polymer is derived from two Greek words, poly and mer. So here poly means many. Poly means many. Mer means part or unit. So what is polymer? So what is polymer? Thousands of monomers combine to form a large molecule with help thereby covalent bonds. Is called polymer. So here thousands of monomers, a number of monomers combine to form a large molecule with help thereby covalent bonds is called polymer. The process is known as polymerization. For example, A. This is one monomer. B. Another monomer. A. Another monomer. B. Another monomer to form A, B, A, B. This is a large molecule. This type of molecule is known as polymer. The process is known as polymerization. For example, ethylene to polyethylene. Ethylene, molecular form of ethylene C2H4, CH2 double bond CH2. N moles of ethylene combine to form polyethylene CH2. How many times? N times. This is polyethylene. This is polymerization. So what is polymer? The number of or thousands of monomers combine to form a large molecule with help thereby covalent bonds. It's called polymer. The process is known as polymerization. For example, ethylene to polyethylene, styrene to polystyrene. So these are some examples of polymers. So here the term the repeating structural unit. So what is monomer? The repeating structural unit. In a polymer is called monomer. The repeating structural unit is known as monomer. For example, ethylene to polyethylene. So polyethylene is a large molecule. This is a polymer. Ethylene molecules So number of three molecules combined to form polyethylene. Ethylene is a type of monomer. So see some examples. So polymer, monomer, structure. For example, ethylene is a polymer. Ethylene. So polyethylene. Polyethylene. This type of monomer present in polyethylene. Ethylene. So ethylene. What is the structure of ethylene? CH2 double bond CH2. This is ethylene. Second one, polystyrene. Polystyrene. Which type of monomer present in polystyrene? Students, styrene. Styrene. C6 H5 CH double bond CH2. This is styrene. Next one, polytetrafluoroethylene. Polytetrafluoroethylene. Which monomer present in polytetrafluoroethylene? Tetrafluoroethylene. Tetrafluoroethylene. Tetrafluoroethylene CF2 double bond CF2. This is tetrafluoroethylene. Polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride. Which monomer is present in polyvinyl chloride? Vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride. So CH2 double bond CH Cl. This is vinyl chloride. The formula for vinyl chloride. So next one, neoprene. Neoprene. Which monomer is present in neoprene? 2-chloro, 1,3 butadiene. 2-chloro, 1,3 butadiene. CH2 double bond C CH double bond CH2. So here Cl. So number 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-chloro, 1,3 butadiene. This is neoprene. So which monomer is present in rubber? Which monomer is present in rubber? 2-methyl, 1,3 butadiene. 2-methyl CH2 double bond C CH3 CH double bond CH2. So first priority 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene. This is rubber. Rubber is two types: Buna S and Buna N. Which monomer is present in Buna S? 1,3 butadiene. 1,3 butadiene and styrene. 1,3 butadiene and styrene. So 1,3 butadiene CH2 double bond CH double bond CH2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons but double bond in double bond present in first carbon, third carbon. So 1,3 butadiene. For styrene, what is the formula for styrene? C6H5 CH double bond CH2. This is styrene. Next one, Buna N. Buna N. Which monomer is present in Buna N? 1,3 butadiene. 1,3 butadiene. Second one, acrylonitrile. acrylonitrile or vinyl cyanide. Vinyl cyanide. So first one 1,3-butadiene CH2 double bond CH CH double bond CH 1,3-butadiene. Acrylonitrile or vinyl cyanide CH2 double bond CH2 Cn. This is vinyl group. Vinyl cyanide or acrylonitrile. So Butyrius and butadiene, which is the common monomer present in Butyrius and butadiene, students? 1,3-butadiene. This is very most important. So, which is the common monomer present in Butyrius and butadiene? 1,3-butadiene and 1,3-butadiene. So, this is 1,3-butadiene, the common monomer. Bakelite. Which monomer is present in bakelite? Formaldehyde. Formaldehyde and phenol. Formaldehyde and phenol. Formaldehyde HCHO. Phenol C6H5OH. OH group is attached to benzene ring. This is phenol. Benzene attached to OH. Phenol. Which monomer is present in bakelite? Formaldehyde and phenol. Which monomer is present in butadiene? 1,3-butadiene and vinyl cyanide or acrylonitrile. Next one, polyethylene terephthalate. Which monomer is present in polyethylene terephthalate? Polyethylene terephthalate are Dacron or Perlin. Which monomer is present in Perlin or Dacron or polyethylene terephthalate? So terephthalic acid. Terephthalic acid. Terephthalic acid and B ethylene glycol. Okay, students, which monomers are present in polyethylene terephthalate, terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol? So what is the formula for terephthalic acid? This is the structure of benzene. Two COOH groups are attached to opposite position. This is terephthalic acid. B ethylene glycol. Ethylene CH2 double bond CH2 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 OH2 ethylene glycol terephthalic acid. Next one, glycol. Glycol. Which monomer is present in glycol? Phthalic acid. Phthalic acid. Phthalic acid and ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. Phthalic acid. So two COOH groups are adjacent side. Benzene attached to two COOH groups are adjacent side. This is phthalic acid. So ethylene glycol CH2 CH2 OH OH. This is ethylene glycol. Next one, urea formaldehyde acid. Urea formaldehyde acid. Which monomer is present in urea formaldehyde acid? Students, urea and formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. Urea NH2 CO NH2 B formaldehyde HCH. Which monomers are present in urea formaldehyde acid? Urea and formaldehyde. Formula of urea NH2CO NH2 formaldehyde HCHO. Next topic is Classification of polymers. So polymers are classified into three types based on the source. Based on the source, polymers are classified into three types. They are, first one, natural polymers. Second one, synthetic polymers. Third one, semi-synthetic polymers. Based on the source, polymers are classified into three types. The first one, natural polymers. Second one, synthetic polymers. Third one, semi-synthetic polymers. Next one, based on the structure. Polymers are classified into three types. They are, first one, linear polymers. Second one, branched polymers. Third one, crossed network polymers. Based on the structure, polymers are classified into three types. They are linear polymers, branched polymers, and crossed network polymers. And third one, based on the molecular force. Polymers are classified into four types. They are, first one, elastomers. Second one, fibers. Third one, thermoplastic polymers. And fourth one, thermosetting polymers. Based on the molecular force, polymers are classified into four types. They are, first one, elastomers. Second one, fibers. Third one, thermoplastic polymers. And fourth one, thermosetting polymers. Based on the source, polymers are classified into how many types? Three types. They are, first one, natural polymers. What are natural polymers? The polymers which are obtained by natural source. Like plants and animals. For example, these polymers are obtained from natural sources like plants and animals. For example, cellulose, plastic, wool, starch. These are natural polymers. Next one, Synthetic polymers. Synthetic polymers. Synthetic polymers are man-made polymers. These are man-made polymers. These are man-made polymers. For example, nylons, nylon 66, nylon 6, BONS, BONION, and also etc. Which monomers are present in nylon 66? Hexamethyl-diamine and adipic acid. Which monomer are present in nylon 6? Caprolactam. Caprolactam. Next one, semi-synthetic polymers. So these are derivatives of synthetic polymers. Synthetic polymers. For example, cellulose acetate and cellulose nitrate. Cellulose nitrate. Based on the source, polymers are classified into how many types? Students, 3 types. The first one, natural polymers. These are obtained by natural sources like plants and animals. What are synthetic polymers? These polymers are man-made polymers. Nylon 66, nylon 6, BONION, and so on. Semi-synthetic polymers. These polymers are derivatives of synthetic polymers. Cellulose acetate, cellulose nitrate, and so on.